Here is a short video clip recording from my more than quarter century old TM261 VHF base station, and you can also have a partial glimpse of the linear power supply white colored in the background, which was bought from VU2 Papa Kilo Hotel. That is also going strong after more than quarter century.
For MTY Memorial morning for MTY Memorial morning Bravo, Kibanganda, I don't know, good morning. Good morning, and welcome to MTY Memorial morning in moment. Yetria ko uniform ko yetri Bravo kepada sekali good morning. Shanawat good morning. Orang publikasi. Shanawat you report kanan penting info. Progress sudah pasti tahu ni. Like ini last job pasti. Alright. Yetria ko uniform ko Bravo kepada sekali. Bravo kepada sekali. Good morning. We are sorry. Power morning. And purpose report morning. And that was sharing you on the report yet. Lovely. Tomorrow the first one sound great and Dubai. And contact the QTH of VU3EUE. Victory. Can you want to contact? Can you after 10 o'clock the Lima contact Victory 73. Through Lima after 10 o'clock just an Victory. Okay. Sorry, thank you for MTY Memorial morning. I got the Papa Hotel response. To Papa Hotel, from Calicut go to morning, but get your Memorial morning. So the request from a coin and control for MTY Memorial morning and Papa to the morning to Sanwas, morning myself, very more sensible frequency, 519. Very strong, very cloudy morning today, slightly rustling also. So let's take only 73 sir, good day. Request from a coin and control Papa Hotel. Papa Hotel. 500 plus. Tomorrow also possible sound station Dubai. MTY Memorial morning from MTY Memorial morning from